Hi, magandang gabi po. And now for your third and final reading, ano po ang mensahe para sa inyo ngayong gabi, no? Ito naman po ay para sa inyong sarili, no? Gusto ko po makita kung ano po yung mensahe ng Divine Universe para naman po sa inyo ngayong gabi. So we will choose 10 out of these cards. No, pili po tayo ng 10. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. Tabi po na po natin ito. Tapos pili po tayo ng Moonology. Oops. Pili rin po tayo ng 10, no? From here. Pili po tayo 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gawin din po natin ito. Communication is the key, no? Parang ikaw po sa relationship mo po ang lagi pong nagkukulang is yung communication. Why? Lagi daw po kasi ikaw nakakatagpo ng lalaki na nagsisinungaling or lagi ka pong nakakakuha ng hindi tapat na lalaki, no? Yun po yung medyo kulang sa mga nagiging relationship mo, but it's really not your fault, no? Kaya kailangan mo daw po ingatan yung health mo kasi naaapektuhan na daw po yung health mo sa stress na binibigay sa iyo ng mga manlolokong lalaki, no? You're very close to achieving your goal. Tiis-tiis ka lang daw po, kapatid, kasi po unti-unti na po, no, unti-unti ka na pong nakaka-adjust, nakaka-reach o malapit mo na pong ma-achieve yung goal mo. And for some of you po na merong mga minimithing mangyari sa buhay nila, tiis-tiis lang po, malapit mo na pong ma-achieve yung goal mo. Do not worry, no, because worrying doesn't change an outcome. So wag nyo pong ugaliing mag-worry kasi wala na yung naman daw pong mangyayari kung mag-worry kayo. Just live your life to the fullest, no? The end of a tough cycle approaches. So yung malapit na pong matapos yung mga paghihirap mo, no? Yung mga pagtatapos ng paghihirap mo ay malapit na o parating na po, no? Malapit ka na pong makawala sa ganitong klaseng kahirap na sitwasyon, no? Kaya tiis ka lang po, just hold on. You have to forgive yourself para hindi po ma-block yung magandang blessings na darating sa iyo, yung aura mo po, no? Look at the bigger picture. Kailangan tingnan mo po yung bigger picture out of this hurtful situation. Kailangan mo pong tingnan kung ano po ba yung pwedeng mangyaring maganda out of this tragic and painful and traumatic situations na nandito ka ngayon. You still have to be grateful for the opportunities na dadating sa'yo o yung mga opportunities na darating sa'yo eventually, no? Marami pong darating sa'yo. You just have to be grateful kahit na hanggang ngayon nasa painful situation ka pa rin o nasasaktan ka pa rin. You still have to be grateful daw po, sabi ng Divine Universe. Hold your vision, meaning wag ka pong give up. Panindigan mo po na yung parating na at lahat ay panghawakan mo daw po, no? Panghawakan mo daw po talaga yung i-visualize mo daw po lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Tanggalin mo daw po ang doubts, no? Release mo lahat ng doubts mo, and yung lahat ng tanggalin mo daw yung kailangan ko malaman to, kailangan wag mo na daw po silang wag mo na daw po silang pag-iisipin, ano? You have to release all the doubts, no, para matahimik din po yung buhay mo. Nothing will come out of this situation. Wala na po kasing mangyari. Nangyari na ang lahat, so kailangan mo pong paglabanan, ano? You have to fight and you have to be brave para po makawala ka unti-unti sa sitwasyon mo. So you will have growth, mga kapatid, no? You will have growth, no? Expand your consciousness and yung awareness mo sa mga bagay-bagay po. Believe in the impossible. Kailangan mo pong maniwala na sooner or later, kahit gaano pa ka-imposibleng makalimutan mo itong taong to, ay makakalimutan mo siya whatever happens. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, kung gaano ka man ka-traumatized, makakalimutan at makakalimutan mo to because you're an empath, no? Ang narcissist po, ang mostly yung person nyo po ay narcissist, meaning he's a self-centered person na talagang ang taas ng ego, ang taas ng pride, that they will never apologize, no? Your commitment is being tested, meaning yung commitment mo po sa sarili mo ay being tested kung magiging marupok ka pa raw ba or what, no? Sana po wag na po ikaw maging marupok. You have to be honest with yourself, no? Hindi mo ma-expect yung honesty sa lahat ng tao, but you can expect that from yourself, no? Wag mo na raw po itong tatanggalin sa sarili mo yung pagiging honest mo, kahit alam mo nahihirapan ka na, pero dapat kapit ka lang daw po. And your hard work is paying off. Alam nyo po, yung paglaban nyo po dito ay talagang may magandang pararatingan, no? May maganda pong pupuntahan yung iyong hard work, no? So ngayon po, kahit po gaano kasakit, please, no, kahit gaano po kasakit, wag po kayong susuko. Labanan nyo lang po para talagang maging maganda po ang inyong kinabukasan, no, na wala na rito. You have to enjoy your life with your friends. You go out with your friends. Umalis po kayo kasama ng mga kaibigan nyo. Huwag po kayong panghinaan ng loob. Darating din po ang para sa inyo. And your confidence is your key to success. No matter what, you have to be confident with yourself, no? And for your last card, it's perseverance. Ang ganon, ang ganda, no? Na I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. So kung siniset mo na marupo ka pa rin. Kung siniset mo na makaka-move on ka na, no? So bibigyan pa kita ng additional 5 cards from fairies, no? So, for our first card, we have, you have to let go, no? Let go of this kind of relationship. As you surrender the need to control, you relax your energy, rapidly attracts your desires, no? So, the more po na nagle-let go ka, the more po na dumarating sa iyo lahat ng blessings. The more na hindi ka na masyadong clingy, hindi ka na masyadong naghahabol, baka the more siyang magsisi, the more siyang makarma, the more siyang, alam mo yun, ma-realize niya po na mali yata ako, nang ginawa talaga, sobrang mali ako, no? Ano pa kaya ang pwede nating makita that's our second card? Everything is okay, sabi, no? Don't worry. it's all working out in a beautiful way. So, hindi mo man po maintindihan ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, hindi mo man po maintindihan kung ano ang nangyayari or ano yung reason behind this, but you have to relax because everything is under control, everything is okay, and it is all working out in a beautiful way without you knowing yung reason, without you understand bakit nangyayari to, no? Pero you have to believe and you have faith na ito ay makakabuti para sa inyo. Okay? And next card is, teka po, may nahuhulog kasi. Ayoko nang nahuhulog. Gusto ko yung something na, alam mo yon, na mabubunot natin. Your dream is within reach. Have faith as everything is working in your favor. Ang ganda. After nang let go, everything is okay. Your desire is within your reach. And just have faith. Sabi dito, as you surrender, don't worry. It's all working in a beautiful way. Ito naman, and have faith as everything is working in your favor. So, everything po, is nagiging connected na sa'yo, galing sa universe, no? Sinasabi ko po sa inyo na, okay, na lahat ay maganda in a beautiful way. Wow, ang ganda ng fourth card mo is yung healing, healed, and healer. Ayan, healing energy surrounds you in this situation. So don't worry, the universe and Papa Jesus is always with you. Whatever happens, nandyan sila, no? They are protecting you. Hindi ka po pinapabayaan ng ating Panginoon, kaya wag na wag ka pong give up. And your last card for number 5 is love life, no? The basic of your question involves your romantic life. So, lahat talaga kayo, it's all about romantic life, no? Which is now changing for the better. OMG. Ang ganda ng mensahe sa inyo ngayong gabing to, no? Because first, you have to let go of this situation. But don't worry, everything is okay. It is all working out beautifully, no? And then your desire is within your reach. Just have faith as everything is working in your favor. And now you have to heal yourself. Healing, healed, and healer. Now, healing energy surrounds you in this situation for you to have the love that you deserve, no? The basic of your question involves your romantic life. So, halos lahat kayo, it's all about romantic life. And do not worry because after you let go, ito naman po is now changing for the better. So, everything is okay. Your desires within your reach. You have to heal for you to have a better love life that you deserve. Wow! Ang ganda, no? So, that's your message from the Divine Universe today. No, so your final card for today. Thank you so much po. This is one of the na kinilabutan ako at maganda yung cards, no? It really connects the 5 cards and plus the Soul's Journey card, the Moonology, and the Fairies. Ang ganda, no? So that's your card, that's your reading, your last reading for tonight, no? Thank you so much for everything. If you want to have a private reading with me, you can message me at Lady Lee Elena. That's my only and official and legit account, FB account po, no? So, yan po, no? Diyan po kayo magme-message and I promise to answer you back. Hindi man po agad-agad, but I promise to answer you within the day. So, thank you so much, everyone. May God bless you. Please do not skip the ads, do not skip the video. Yun na lang po yung tulong nyo sa akin. And mag-ingat po kayo, no, to all my Lady Elena friends, family, and subscribers. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you again tomorrow for another free reading para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po and may God bless you all. May you have a good night's sleep and wag na wag po kayong susuko sa buhay. Nandyan po palagi si Lord at hindi po kayo pababayaan. God is good all the time. You just have to surrender everything to the Lord Almighty. Alam niyo po ako, lagi po akong sinusuportahan ng Panginoon natin. Hindi man po ako hindi niya pa po ako binibigo ever, no, sa lahat po ng hiling ko sa kanya. Lagi niya po akong binabantay kasi alam ko po na ngayon naintindihan ko na hindi ko pa po oras dahil marami pa po akong misyon sa lahat ng taong katulad niyo. At maraming pong salamat, and wag na wag po kayong malulungkot. Everything is okay, 'di ba? Sabi nga kanina, everything is okay and you will be fine. Okay? Thank you so much. May God bless you all. I love you, and I will see you all again tomorrow. God bless. Bye.